Question 3, Kinematics. This 3.1, it is projectile problem as we are being told about a missile launched from the beach hit an approaching warship on a horizontal plane 56 kilometers away at sea. The missile was launched at 520 kilometers per hour and at 50 degrees from the ground. We are given horizontal distance 55 kilometers, I may assume it is the range according to Projectiles language. And this velocity of missile to warship is 520 kilometers per hour. Before any calculations attempt, let us first convert these given to meters. We say, this 55 kilometers times 1000 meters over 1 kilometer. This will be 55,000 meters. And this velocity. It is 520 kilometers times 1000 meter over 1 kilometer times 1 hour over 3600 seconds. That will be 144.444 meters per second. Let us roughly draw a illustrating sketch. The missile is fired from this point A, it moves in making a parabolic shape to hit the warship on this point C. This path along the ground from this point A to this point C, it is the horizontal distance, as I said we call it range, which is 55,000 meters away. Let us say, the maximum height reached by this missile in the air. That maximum height, let us label it as point B. On this point B, the final velocity of this missile is 0. And its initial velocity is 144.444 meters per second. We are required to calculate the total time it took the missile to hit the warship. We will use horizontal distance, whereby we are using this equation. On this equation, this part goes off because g is 0 on horizontal cases. We are left with this part, remember, this s is the range. On this initial point, we have speed for vertical component goes up, which is this initial velocity times sine 50 degree, and for horizontal component, which is made up of this initial velocity times cos 50 degree. On this equation, instead of this v initial, we put this horizontal component because for now we are dealing with horizontal. Then, make time a subject of this equation as so. From this instance, we substitute like so. This 55,000 on top is horizontal distance, this 144.444 is the initial velocity for this missile, and this t, which we are to get. All these gives us the time it took the missile to hit the warship to be 592.375 seconds. We are not done yet. We have to convert this time to minutes as the statement's requirement. In minutes, it's gonna be 9.873 minutes.